Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I bought this from Amazon. As you can see, I have an old generation of the iPad, but also I have a new generation of the phone. I tried both of them. This keyboard work very well. As you can see here, it's no delay in typing, and even I'm easily change. As you can see, the light on and off, and the keyboard button here is work well, and other stuff. At this one the mouse is not working well. I will go ahead and connect this one to my iPhone. As you can see, and we have there for this function and Bluetooth. I should change and pick up the keyboard. Here it's connect. As you can see, I have a mouse here, and it is work, as you can see, perfectly. Let me go to the note and open the new note. I'm just trying to open it. Yes, here is a, let me, sorry, they told me why there is like this. As you can see here, I am mouse detecting very well. I'm just writing, and I have a backlight key. It's very nice. I can increase the light or decrease the volume here. I have a search button here, keyboard button work very well, caps lock button. As you can see, the change language button work very well, and there is no delay. That's very important things. Totally I like it, and it's a function of this work perfectly. It's like the iPad Air. And I just want to go and look quickly to the other part of this. It's exactly match with the iPad 10 size, and as you can see here, you can also rotate this iPad by this way, and also you can put at this angle. iPad should be here, or you can also change the rotation. It come like this, it's come like this. I love it, and when you touch it you feel it's good material, and when you close it, it's come nice. The key part is nice, and USB-C charging, it's also nice. There is enough room here, and USB-C. I love it. I like it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.